I'm going to quickly show you how to download DaVinci Resolve 16. So in order to do that, let's head on to Google Chrome. As you can see, I'm on the official website already. You can check the link in the description box below. So we're going to click on download, and here we've got a dialog box. You can see two different products, DaVinci Resolve 16 and DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. So this right here, DaVinci Resolve Studio 16, is the paid version, which we are not too interested in. Now, depending on which operating system your computer is using, macOS, Windows, or Linux, you simply download the appropriate one. So I'm going to click on Windows, which is what I use, and here we are asked to provide some details: first name, last name, company, email, phone, country, state, city, tell us. So you basically need to fill in these details. Company, more or less, you can decide not to put anything there, it's not so important. You can just put your name, email, phone, though they are not going to email you. After filling in this information, you go ahead and click register and download. So I downloaded this file already. In order to save time, I'm going to quickly access that in my downloads folder. So here it is. I'm going to open this. Boom. So here, I'm simply going to click install. Next, I accept. Next, so I'm going to change the folder where it's going to be saved. I'm going to put it on my other hard disk, so I can just go ahead and create a new folder and rename it. Okay. So if you don't change your folder, you can just go ahead and click next. Next, install. So right now this is going to take a little bit of time. You just have to be patient. So I might just pick this up in order for the video not to be so lengthy. So Resolve successfully installed. So you can just head on our start menu and right here launch Resolve. So this here might be different for you if you are installing for the first time. Mine is like this just because I uninstalled and reinstalled. So I'm going to quickly click on open. You might come across a welcome tour and stuff like that. So here we go, DaVinci Resolve 16. Thank you for watching.